What's going on, guys? How's it going today? Alright, so we got just some random stuff to open today, nothing crazy. So we're going to start with a loose Chilling Reign pack. Chilling Reign is still one of my favorite sets to open. Oh man, nothing in that one. Alright. We're going to do a couple Paradox Rifts. I've had okay luck in that. Alright. Now, are you guys excited for Paldean Fates, or are you not excited for the set? We got a future card, Iron Bundle. And a Latios. Alright. And I found these at Target. So. Alright. Here we go. Toxu. Playpart. Wimpod. Seer Crobat. Rourke. Swablu. We're not going to get anything. No! What a rough go that was. That's alright. It happens. We still have a couple packs here, though, that we can open. I'm going to have to... There we go. I'm hoping I don't bump the camera here. Alright. Pin. Alright. Chilling Reign last. Alright, can we get a hit out of one of these? I sure hope so. Both of them would be even better. And that Ariados, not hollow. Come on, Chilling Reign. Get. I think I just saw the code card. I don't actually know anymore. I'm drawing a blank. I pulled a bunch of cards there. And nothing. Ooh, that was a rough day. Not a single hit in those. Man. Alright, guys. That's going to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we'll have some better luck next time. Have a good one.